Hey guys, it's Mrs. Sarfi. I am recording this very first homework video for practice so I can remember how to do it and how to upload it to YouTube and then how to tell you guys where to find it. So hopefully, since order of operations is kind of a review topic, you don't need too much help and we can do just a quick practice video. So I'm going to go to the smartboard and start working on problem number 9. Problem number 9 has just a few operations, and we need to check for what to do first with our order of operations. So we see some parentheses, so we want to work those out first. And we really just want to do one thing at a time in the problem and bring everything else down. And then just like the notes, I'm going to put a G over here because I did a grouping symbol on that step. The next step, or the next thing I see in my order of operations that needs to be done is a multiplication. And so I'm going to work out this 8 times 5 and bring that down. And then my last step is to do that addition. And I'll circle my answer. So using the order of operations, let's take a look at problem number 13 and scan the problem. And what do we see? We see a division. We see a multiplication, and we see an exponent. And in the order of operations, we want to work the exponent first. So I would start here and bring down the rest of my problem. And then, so 3 squared, you would work it out and you get 9. And then you just want to be careful about making sure that you work multiplication and division from left to right. So you have a decision to make about whether to do 14 divided by 7 first or 7 times 5 first. And that's where I'm going to leave you on this problem to complete the rest yourself. And let's flip over to the back side of the page and let's take a look at some substitution. We have our values given up here that we need to plug in for x, y, and z. So I'm going to show my substitution. Y is 8. Z is a negative number, so I would always make sure to plug that in parentheses, and then minus 6. Now I can do the order of operations. So it looks like I have a multiplication or a subtraction. I'm going to multiply first and then subtract. So negative 24 minus 6 is negative 30. Let's circle my answer. And so you want to be careful on that one. Using the rules of integers, sometimes we add the opposite when we're doing a subtraction problem. I'm going to start problem number 20 for you guys, show my substitution, and then leave you to work it out the rest of the way. So I'm going to bring down my problem exactly. I'm not working anything out yet. I'm just plugging in my number. So x was 6. And z was a negative number, so I want to make sure to substitute. So there's a set of parentheses for my negative 3, and then this parenthesis right here, I'm going to bring that down outside of here. And then minus y, so y was 8. So now I have everything all substituted in, and I can work the problem using my order of operations. Good luck with the rest of your homework, and we'll see you tomorrow.